Hello everyone, welcome to our new blog. Today we are heading to Apple shop in the Sindelfingen.
Yes.
It's a big shop in Sindelfingen. We'll visit this shop and let's see.
How many products do they offer to sell? Okay. And price also. Let's go.
Let's go.
So, jetzt mal grundsätzlich überlegen, wie das kommen würde.
12 mini.
iPhone 12 mini. Price option.
799 euro, but it can be possible monthly, 33.29 euro per month. It will take 2 years.
Okay.
You can buy
Installment.
Yeah, installment. You can buy one time also, around 800 euro.
Okay. One time payment, then around 800 euro.
799.
99. 800 actually. Okay. iPhone 12 mini.
Yeah, it's cool, very small and then very cool.
Different colors they are offering. Look, red one is sky black, silver, and so on. iMac, it's 24 inch and 4.5K retina display. Can you please tell me the price?
It's starting 1,449 euro.
1449 euro. Yes.
So it's starting price. If the processor and then other feature, yeah, you wanna take
Yes.
better.
Depends on feature actually. And this keypad is free, or you have to pay also for this.
Yeah, it has some its price, but included I think this.
They didn't mention here, but whole thing is this mouse. I really like it.
Very small.
Yes, medium one. So this is the price range.
Right here, Apple
8-core CPU.
No, 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, and
Yes.
16-core neural engine, 8 GB. Yeah, it's the process. Hard disk is 256 SSD. Then its price will be 1,449 euro. If
Yes.
the hard disk and another feature is different, it will take 200 euro more.
That means 669 euro.
And then
Yes.
500.
Depending on feature and GB actually. The highest one, 1 TB,
1 terabyte.
terabyte, it's 2,359 euro. Good. This monitor is big one.
Yeah, this is going to be
iMac with Retina, but I have noticed one thing that almost all of this display contains 4.5K display price.
Yes, this is display size is same, and only just a different is like processor and CPU and hard disk. Here, the hard disk, CPU and processor are different, and it takes
More price.
This thing look like similar.
Yes, iMac 24 inch 4.5K retina. It's same the previous one. 449.
This here is same,
Euro.
and that only color is different.
Also, oh, I see. It's a different color. It's and this rosa. It's light pink. It's silver. It's light orange. Apple Watch Series 5. Different colors and designs are available here. Can you please tell us the price rate?
It's like 429 euro.
Starting price.
Not the starting, it's
Yes,
different model. Yeah, but
Yes.
the model is different. Here different model and the different size.
But
And
see,
series
here is
also.
the logo of Nike.
Yeah, it's a model. It's like 14.
Yes. I was Series 6.
Here
Everything
this
is here Series 6.
look. Apple Watch Nike, Apple Watch Hermes.
Okay, it's
SE,
model
it
name.
depends on the different model, and like you can just select this one. You can see the details. It's wow, 1,300
1329.
euro. It's a leather.
Yes. Leather one is another side. Okay.
Then here, which one?
Apple SE, for example. It's 299 euro. Starting price.
Apple
In pad you can see here price, and in display you can see the watch.
Yeah.
But it's covered with a glass so that you can't touch it. Different models,
Yeah.
lots of models. They also sell mobile cover. Different colors and different designs are available here. Can you please tell us the price?
I take one cover. Its price 49.95 euro.
49.95 euro. This one, I guess this one, yes, the blue one.
This one is almost same.
49.95 euro. I think this one is different. Can you tell us the price? Okay, I can see 55 euro. Something in leather made. You can keep here bank card also. It's leather or something?
No, this one is a normal cover, and then they add extra additionally leather
Yes.
cover.
Yes.
This is
Two part
additional.
actually.
Yeah, this is additionally. You can use your bank card, credit card.
Yes. Some printed here, different design
But the
with
price is
flowers.
same.
No, I don't think so.
39.95, 10 euro less.
10 euro less, but here model name is mentioned also.
Yeah.
iPhone 12 mini.
Yeah.
Mini, small one. Different colors, designs, covers are available here. And also, you can purchase this nut.
Price is 39 euro.
39 euro price. Okay, let's see the big one. Actually, 12 Pro Max cover.
55.
55. It's simple design actually. This one. Something fancy.
49.
49.95. It's mobile cover. Price of 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max. .2 very nice. 32 GB, 519 euro, and 128 GB, 69 euro. Here are some headphones. Let's see the price. Oh my god. 299.95 euro. You're gonna get the best music if you use iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. They have lots of collections. This is iPad Air. Okay, it's nice. 10.9 inch, and its price.
Starting.
Yes, it's starting price up in Deutschland. Up means starting price 649 euro.
Price will go high. It depends
Yes.
on the feature.
Features. This is the basic price.
Yes.
You wanted to give me one. Okay. 12 Pro. Apple Music for 3 months it's free. This is the price. 1249 euro up. Starting price actually. But you can pay monthly installment. As the monthly installment, it will be 52.04 euro. And how long?
I
2
think
years.
it's 2 years. Or
Yes.
second.
But at a time, 1,249 euro. Yes, 12 Pro, most lucrative phone nowadays. So here are some features.
It's like battery is 20 hours. It will take charge.
Yeah. 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display. iPhone 12 mini also here. 799 euro starting price.
I think we'll discuss this.
Yeah, we have already shown it. Let's see another product. This is MacBook Pro 16 inch starting price 2,699 euro. But I think
It's the starting price.
Yes, it's
Depends
starting
on the
price.
Feature also depends on feature.
minimum price actually.
It's it's like basic. Like I think it has 256 GB hard disks and then processor. Everything is like that, like this. If you are just increase like terabyte or
But I think
512,
monthly installment, monthly payment is not possible
no,
for
it's
this
also
product.
possible, but you need to talk to them. Maybe they have some offer, but here this doesn't just
Mentioned, yes.
mention. So
Okay.
it's total.
This is Kopfhörer auf Deutsch. AirPods.
Yeah, this is the
Headphone.
airport. It is priced 279 euro.
Yes, 279 euro in Germany market price. Apple
And this one,
AirPods wireless charging case.
yeah, and this one is 100 less, 179.
179 AirPods with charging case. I have it. Nice one and easy accessible. Wow, this is so cute. This is 13th inchy.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why starting price 1129 euro. This is the minimum price actually.
Yeah, basic price.
Yeah, beside it, it's so cute. 10.9 inchy.
We already
It's-
discussed about this.
Yes. Oh, so cute. Allgemein, yeah. Yes. This is the camera feature. We all have attraction about camera. Apple TV 4K. This is not big enough. This was our Apple tour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.
Stay connected.
Stay connected and please recommend us which type of video you wanna see in our channel. Okay?
Goodbye.
Bye.